In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom Wix form from start to publish. We'll begin right in the Wix dashboard. Open your site and click Edit Site to launch the editor. At the top left, tap the plus icon to open the Add menu, then choose Contact and Forms. Select Add Form, and you'll see a variety of ready-made layouts like Contact, Quote, or RSVP. These presets are a great starting point because they handle common structures and save setup time. You can either pick a template or build from scratch. If you're using a template, simply drag it onto your page and place it where it complements your design, near your contact details, in a footer, or on a dedicated page. If you prefer a fully custom layout, choose Create New Form to get a blank form canvas, giving you total control over every field and arrangement. Wherever you place it, leave enough breathing room around the form so it feels clean and easy to complete. Next, let's edit the fields. Click Edit on the form to open the form editor. Here, add the inputs you need, such as name, email, phone, message, drop-downs, checkboxes, or multi-line text. Drag fields to reorder them into a logical flow. Rename labels to match your voice, like changing name to full name, and add helpful placeholder text to guide visitors on what to enter. Mark essential fields as required so you capture the information you truly need, but keep the number of required fields to a minimum to reduce abandonment. Now customize the look and feel to match your brand. Adjust fonts, colors, and the button style so the form blends seamlessly with your site. Tweak spacing, borders, and padding to keep everything readable and aligned. If the form sits on a busy background, add a light background color or a subtle border to improve contrast. Make sure labels are clear and easy to read, and refine the submit button text to something short and specific, like send message or submit. Aim for strong color contrast on the button so it's obvious and accessible. Time to test and publish. Click Preview, fill out the form, and submit a test entry. Confirm that required fields prevent empty submissions and that your data is being captured correctly. Check your site's forms area or inbox to verify it appears. If anything looks off, return to the editor to adjust spacing, copy, or validation. When you're satisfied, click Publish to make the form live. That's it. Your custom Wix form is ready to capture leads, inquiries, RSVPs, and more, all with a professional look and smooth user